But why did we?
But don't try and fucking record me without me fucking knowing! Are we recording? Look at that.
Cough.
Fucking good.
Cough.
What's that when you cough? No. I fucking love it. No. Right then. I'm from the Corn Island. No. I don't know. Cornish. Cornish? Is this Cornish? No, it's not, is it?
That's Scottish.
Was it?
When we Cornish pasty.
No.
There.
Let me try and think. No. Fucking Cornish! It is fucking Cornish! Is this Cornish? Cornish! We had a bit of a hiccup there.
Cough.
Oh, hang on. Oh no, look at
No, like,
I'm from the Corn Islands. That's not Cornish again, is it? Oh, what was it?
Fucking love it.
I fucking love it! No.
Let me try it there.
I can't do it.
There's no more number 8.
And I'll leave this here for Schmola. I don't know how I did that. Schmola. For Schmola. Who's in Ireland today?
That's Cornish.
Corkish?
That was Cornish.
Was it? Who's in Ireland today? And they've got my Cornish accent back! So I come from the Cornish Islands. We'll scrap that sentence.
Are there islands that are Cornish?
I don't know. No, I was just pretending that's where I came from. My made-up land. Oh, we're going to do this for 8 minutes.
You've got 1 minute 40 left.
We've done it for 7 odd minutes.
Oh, but we can't actually see what we're filming.
Whoa, we're in darkness. After all of that? I'm from the Cornish Islands. I fucking love it. My eyes watering. Hello there. Bout. I got nothing left to say. Apart from, do you want to go ride my tractor?
Hey, fucking rude. You can't really cough, can you?
I love it. And I'm dead.
Check.
In the Cornish Islands. What is islands? I like to just lounge around in the shower room. Chicken. I'm just remembering the time.
20 seconds, wrap it up, wrap it up.
Right, I am Vivien from the Cornish Islands. But I don't talk Cornish. Odd bits of Cornish. Most of it's bullshit. And that's a wrap.